Regardless of whether you're a total newbie or you've had decent home studio for a while now, the same question always lingers somewhere in the back of your mind. What's the next step? Because when you see all those incredible images of pro studios on the internet, you probably compare that to where you are right now. It's only natural to want that one piece of the puzzle that gets you a step closer to where you someday want to be. And this is why we've got these studio recording gear that will help you to get started recording today. So, without waiting anymore, let's dive in.
At AudioZone, our mission is to help audio fanatics make the right buying decision. We are a team of audiophiles who spend countless times testing out gadgets to make informative tutorials, in-depth reviews, and make your buying decision simple and effective.
Starting with the mic, because without it, no studio is complete. And here, we have the Yeti USB mic from Blue Mic. Microphones have been around since long before recording studios ever existed. Yet ironically, in all those years, very little about them has changed. However, this microphone from Blue produces a crystal, robust, and broadcast quality sound for various platforms and needs such as YouTube, streaming, Zoom calls, and more. Since it features 4 pickup patterns which are cardioid, omni, bidirectional, and stereo, this mic allows you to record in versatile ways that would normally require multiple mics. Plus, the onboard audio controls put you in charge of every level of the recording process to ensure you will get the best results from it. Moreover, for its unique positionable design, you can adjust and pivot the mic in relation to the sound source to optimize your sound quality as it's meant to be. Up next, you need a pop filter, and we would like to introduce the Alphonics pop filter that prevents popping when you're singing or talking and expels a strong burst of air whenever you pronounce specific words such as P or B, because it's designed to effectively reduce the plosives or wind interference and helps to produce sound with pristine quality. Its dual-layer mesh screen doesn't filter any stifled sound or diminish the quality of your recordings. It works as a shield to elevate audio quality at its best. Design-wise, its adjustable gooseneck is super compatible with the Blue Yeti USB mic and can accommodate any studio space. Plus, being fully flexible, you can smoothly rotate it to get the ideal position during recording. Furthermore, this stunning yet lightweight pop filter is designed for stable and ultra-secure mounting, since its adjustable clasp allows you to mount it on the mic stand, table, or any surface up to 1.75 inches. Okay, done with the pop filter and mic. Now you need a microphone arm because it will let you adjust the position of your recording device to get the best recording. In this case, what could be better than the InnoGear's microphone arm? This suspension stand gives the ultimate versatility that you might have been looking for decades. For its foldable arm, you can adjust the angle and height which is suitable for you. At the same time, the easy to mount feature lets you install it into any flat surface for a stable and wobble-less voiceover. Impressively, the robust steel structure ensures both added durability and longevity as well. Besides, it can hold up to 1.5 kilograms of weight of any microphone such as Blue Yeti easily. The next gear you should have is the studio headphones. And let's welcome the MDR7506 Pro from Sony. It may look like your grandpa's old monitoring device, but still earns millions of hots with its overall performance. During sound monitoring, all you want to hear is the peak, high, and low sound of your recording. These headphones are no exception since they have a large diaphragm backed in on each cup. It delivers powerful yet detailed sound without messing up any weight. From a beginner to a pro, anyone can use it as it doesn't require any pesky tools to install. All you have to do is plug it in and rock with the music. Keeping comfort in mind, the MDR7506 Pro's closed ear design delivers utmost comfort during extended uses and outstanding reduction of external noise. Moreover, its adjustable padded headband is suitable for every face size. Also, those who wear glasses, they won't feel any disruption or stiffness while using it. Impressive, right? Beyond that, with a 1/4 inch adapter, its 9.8-foot port gives you the ultimate freedom to move around without putting down the headphone. This rugged construction with black finish will complement every studio and blend perfectly with other gear that you already have in your recording zone. get yourself introduced with another essential gear for studio recording, the Yamaha HS5. A fantastic studio monitor designed with the opposite goal of providing a perfectly flat frequency response so you can hear a mix as it truly is. Among audiophiles, a studio monitor is also known as a near-field monitor, as users keep them near to them to monitor the output better and clearer. The built-in drivers used in the HS series monitors deliver superb audio performance that's considerably enhanced by a sophisticated mounting system. While the scientific arrangement of screws and a specially designed mounting ring eliminate unwanted vibration and resonance, which lets the speaker realize its full sonic potential without distortion or coloration. The extra thick Twitter frame also diminishes resonance that can interfere with treble clarity. Plus, the advanced smooth contour design of this frame minimizes losses, letting you hear high-frequency details with stunning accuracy. The bottom line, smooth, accurate response throughout your whole audio spectrum. And that translates to better sound recordings for you. Unlike most studio gear, audio interface is one item that we're all thoroughly familiar with. So, let's get more familiar with the Focusrite Scarlett Solo studio interface. Straight up, it's the updated version of the previous Scarlett 2x2 audio interface, but now it has almost everything better than its sibling. However, this version comes with a mic, headphones, and a long cable that can fulfill your studio recording essentials decently. It ensures pro performance with the finest preamps that allows you to achieve a brighter and more open recording. It even comes with switchable air mode, which adds extra clarity to your vocals when you're recording with it. Its gain halos let you capture your voice with clarity and simultaneously your instruments in all their glory without any unwanted clipping or distortion. If you're a beginner or don't want to spend much, the included large diaphragm condenser mic enables you to capture studio quality recordings that are faithful to the original source. Plus, the additional close-back headphones provide comfort for longer, while ensuring you can truly hear your music and nothing else. These days, recording studios are almost all digital. The first thing you should obviously need is a computer, or at least a powerful laptop. And in this case, nothing can be better than the M1 MacBook Pro 16. Because today's DAW or digital audio workstation can be extremely hard on processing resources, and making full use of its features requires a blazing fast computer. So, when you're ready to upgrade, we highly recommend the M1 MacBook Pro 16. However, as its name suggests, its display size is 16 inches and it's packed with an M1 chip. It can surprisingly handle and complete every task like the way you want it. Now you might be thinking, why did we choose the 16-inch while both the 13 and 14 inches of MacBook Pro has the same processor? Because the more visuals you have, the more you can see during recording, mixing, and editing. Well, here's the thing that may seek concern, which is that it only has 3 Thunderbolt Type-C ports and a 3.5mm audio port. Okay, furthermore, if you want to stay with the Windows operating system, then we recommend the MSI Creator Z16P B12U or the Z16P series, because it offers every bells and whistles that can fulfill all of your recording demands. So last but not least, these were the best studio recording gear just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.